Welcome to Beyond Cats, Expanding Your Art Style with Procreate. I want to start with a disclaimer that cats obviously will show up in this video, mostly in the art form, and I'm going to be showing you what I do to make those cats more than just simple cats. I'm also going to be creating other types of characters, so if you don't like cats, hang in there. I'm Terry Runyan, visual artist and creative encourager, and I'm so happy you're in this class. I do have Tucker here to say hello at the beginning. I will be sharing with you all the things I use in Procreate, how I use them, how I get the looks I get. That'll include layers, layer masks, clipping masks, as well as the brushes I use. I'll be importing hand-painted papers into my work to create a collage look. Creating textures and patterns inside the app itself. I'll be showing you how to use the split screen for your research and to be able to pick a color palette. I'll be talking about some of the cool tools I'm using, one of which is the Liquify Tool. And I'll also be sharing about how to export your images so that you can share them on social media or maybe put them up in a shop. I would love you guys to join in the project for this class, which is to create your own unique character. Now, if you feel like your style is all over the place and you really don't have a unique voice, you might enjoy my first class, which is Discovering Your Art Style Through Daily Creating. In that class, I go into how to identify your style, how to notice what lights you up, what inspires you, and how that gives you clues to your style. So I highly recommend that class. So with all that said, we'll get started in the first section with how to use Procreate. It's a very quick overview and what brushes I use for most of the styles that I am sharing with you here. So I'll see you in the first section.